I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Camry wiper blades. First, ensure you have the correct replacement blades. Typically, the driver's side is 26 inches and the passenger's side is 20 inches. Always replace both front blades together for optimal performance. Park your Camry safely and turn off the engine. This prevents accidental wiper activation. Also, place a protective towel on your windshield to prevent damage if an arm springs back. Now, let's remove the old blades. Carefully lift one wiper arm until it stands upright, away from the glass. Many newer Camry models require activating a service mode to fully lift the arms without hitting the hood. Look for a small tab or button at the blade's connection point to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old blade off the hook. Remember to gently lower the bare wiper arm onto your protective towel, never letting it snap back onto the windshield. With the old blades removed, it's time for the new ones. First, take off any plastic protectors from the new blade's rubber. Carefully align the new blade's connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide it on firmly until you hear a clear clicking sound, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's properly seated. Repeat this process for the other wiper blade, ensuring both are correctly installed. Once both new blades are installed, gently lower the wiper arms back onto the windshield. Remove your protective towels. Now, turn on your Camry's ignition and activate the wipers to test them. Observe their movement. They should sweep smoothly across the glass, providing clear, streak-free visibility. If they don't, double-check the installation. Remember to replace your wiper blades approximately every 6 to 12 months for the best performance and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.